The family that's been in this lake house has been here for about 3 years. Lots of kids, grandchildren on the scene. It's great because it can sleep up to about 20 people, so it's the ultimate summer hangout. We wanted it to feel very nautical, sort of Hamptons chic, but with a country aesthetic. So we have the typical colors you'd see, the sand, the indigo, but it's tempered with lots of cream, linens, and black to ground it all together. So the foyer, because it's really the key to the space, you can actually see right out through the lake. So I wanted something calming and soothing, but it also had to set the tone for the rest of the space. So we have beautiful sisal carpets, a gorgeous round pedestal table. All the woods here are walnut tones. It's really, really refined. The great room is quite great in scale. It has tons of beautiful ceiling height, and it was all about maximizing seating here. So we have a cozy sectional with a roll arm and a skirted detail, which is classic cottage style. And we've accented it with beautiful navy slip covers, which are really refined, really textural. And my favorite piece is the settee, which has that barley twist arm. I just love barley twist. While the great room is very, very cozy, we wanted a space that felt even more intimate. So the den actually used to be a billiard room from the original owners. We kept it as an extension of the rest of the house. I love the Spanish style chairs that are facing into the room. They add a lot of character and balance out the heaviness of the two sofas. And a upholstered ottoman was a must for this family. It had to be soft and durable, but also stylish. The kitchen is a real baker's kitchen. We did a butcher block counter, which is great for rolling out breads. She loves to entertain, so it's all about a welcoming vibe. You can seat 3 at the island and up to 6 in the breakfast nook, and it's a great place where you can grab a bite, sit down for a nice meal, and enjoy the view outside. It was important that the family that lives here could seat a lot of people, so we did a classic long table. You can seat up to 12 people. We did a rectilinear chandelier to emphasize the length, and I decided to cozy it up with that great paisley wallpaper. It's in tones of linens and blacks and creams, so that's one of the spaces where there's actually no blue for a change. We've kept it really, really monochromatic, but elegant and sophisticated. There are 7 bedrooms. The first floor guest room is a really pretty retreat. I really played with the pattern in the space. I love the mix. The carpet has that global vibe. I love how it came together. It's really cozy. And the master, we wanted to make it feel grand. So we decided to imbue some sophistication with a 4-poster bed. We also gave the room a special treatment with gorgeous grass cloth. And I love the texture that grass cloth gives. And we also accented it with another paisley motif on the chair. I think it gives it a bit more of an interesting vibe. The master ensuite is a beautiful space. It has this gorgeous freestanding tub. It's the first thing you see. It really feels like an oasis, like a spa. And we decided to have fun with black, bringing that into the floor tiles and a few other accents. So it feels very cozy, very rustic, but again, it grounds the all-white space. The reading nook was a funny space. We repurposed it into sort of a games reading nook. We put in a gorgeous daybed, and then there's a games table as well for those rainy days. The 3rd floor had this amazing ceiling height, and again, we wanted to maximize the people you could sleep, so it was all about creating a nook and not losing the wasted space in the window well. It's a queen, and then there's 2 doubles, and then a twin. So that is the ultimate sleepover room, and we decided to give the built-in daybed a little bit of extra privacy with those sheer buffalo check curtains. The family loves being here, and that makes me the happiest. I know I did my job. They can be all together, be in a space that reflects the outdoors. So even though if the weather is bad or they're spending time indoors, they still feel like they're in a summer escape.